Hi everyone, this is the entry specialist. What I have today are two Lockwood padlocks. They're the model 334 brass edition. It uses the LW4 keyway, which is relatively open, and they are extremely common around Australia. So let's see what it takes to get these guys open. I'll be using top of the keyway with moderate tension, and I'll be using the Sparrow Strong. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, a click out of 3, click out of 4, nothing on 5, click out of 1, click out of 2, and it's open. I must have accidentally hit pin 5 because I don't feel any clicks. Okay. Nothing on 1, 2, click out of 2, click out of 3, 4, 5. Back to pin 4. About to set huge counter rotation on 4, 3, 2. Okay. Felt like I'm pretty close. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get these guys open and see what's inside. They're not extremely hard to pick once you get used to the feedback. Get that out of the way. Two Phillips screws at the back. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. Okay, there you go. We have a spool. Oops. Just drop that. Another spool. Spool. Yep. Pretty sure they're all spools. And spools. And let's see the springs. Yep. Same springs. And you can see this is actually a 6-pin cylinder with only 5 pin populated. I'm pretty sure the high-end models would have that 6-pin populated. Let's see what we have here. Standard, 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 and standard. So they're all standards. So Lockwood 334B45. This is all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. Also feel free to let me know what you think about the video by commenting in the commenting section. Have a nice day and see you guys next time. Thank you.